all of you. I think the topics that I discussed with you on the last term may be quite clear to you. So where we left is actually the topic weaving, right? We were discussing cotton on the last term, and I explained you weaving with the help of an activity in the previous video. Now weaving again. What is weaving actually? It is arranging two sets of yarn together to make a fabric. Once you have a yarn, then it's quite easy for you to make a fabric. Now weaving is done in two manners. One is by hand loom, another is by power loom. As the name indicates, hand loom is what? Hand loom is a type of weaving which is operated by hand. Okay, it is done on a small scale where we need to produce only small production of fabric is required. We use hand looms. It is usually done in villages, and power loom is done on a large scale. Power, as the name indicates, that power means electricity. So looms that are run by big machines that are run by electricity, they produce a fabric, and this is known as, the fabric is produced by what? A power loom. We cannot produce large amount of fabric with the help of hand loom, right? So one more thing that one more type of fabric that we need to discuss right now is jute. Jute, there are many uses of jute. Jute is used as a bags, rugs. There are many uses of jute. So earlier I explained you about jute, that jute is a plant fiber and it is obtained from stem of the plant. So it is a plant fiber, although it's not very easy to obtain jute fiber from its stem. So what people used to do in order to obtain jute is that is what we are going to study right now. Jute fiber is obtained from the bark, we know. So the fibers are naturally glued together by a sticky substance. Fibers are these fibers are stick together by a sticky substance, and we need to remove that sticky substance in order to obtain fiber. This is a sticky substance which can be removed by immersing jute stems in water for 10 to 15 days. So jute is actually, this is the stem of the jute. It is harvested when it is at flowering stage. When it is harvested, when it reaches its flowering stage, okay, and bundles are tied. Okay, these are the stems of the jute. Bundles are tied and they are immersed in what? Water. Immersed, soaked in water for 10 to 15 days. Okay, this is how the sticky substance that was present initially, it is removed, it is dissolved in water, and we are able to obtain fibers, fine fibers of the jute from its stem. This process has a special name which is known as what? Retting. Retting is very important. Okay, this term is very important. I hope all of you understood. What is retting? Retting is actually immersing jute stem in water for 10 to 15 days in order to obtain its fiber, and the process is retting.